Want your child to experience the fun of pottery, but worried about the complexity and danger of professional equipment? The VEVOR Mini Pottery Wheel is here. Twin turntable design, 0-300 revolutions per minute speed range, equipped with 17 kinds of pottery accessories. Only 30 W of power, low noise, and low energy consumption during operation, safe and reliable.
Are you still worried about the corrosion of traditional water pipes, the lack of high temperature resistance, and the uneven heat dissipation of floor heating pipes? VEVOR 1/2 PEX tubing is coming strong. Still worried about the poor effect and low efficiency of custom hat patterns? VEVOR 4-in-1 Cap Heat Press is here to save you. The 6x3-inch clamshell construction provides an even and efficient finish. The LCD digital timer and temperature controller allow you to easily control every impression, and you can become a master in seconds.
The VEVOR 270A 3-function welder is here. Good news for master welders and DIY enthusiasts. This welding machine, which combines the 3 welding functions of MIG, MMA, TIG, is simply the all-round king of the welding industry. Whether it is precision welding of thin plates or strong welding of thick plates, it can easily cope with it.
Want to cook exquisite food at home, but always be troubled by uneven cuts and uneven thickness of meat and vegetables? The VEVOR 180W Home Electric Slicer is your savior.
Inefficient and uneven slicing? VEVOR 240W Commercial Household Microtome to solve all your worries. It's super easy to use. Adjust the thickness, put the ingredients on the tray, turn on the switch, and slice evenly.